Hi everyone, my name is Maria and we're here at the Edinburgh Food Drink Academy. Today we're going to be making some recipes for the World Cup. So we are going to start first with Scotland. For our Scottish recipe, we're going to be making a No-Churn tablet ice cream. This is a really cool, easy recipe, very refreshing. You don't need any special ice cream machine. So that's the first thing we're going to cook. So we're going to start with some double cream. I like keeping it cold in a middle bowl and also keep that cold, so that makes it a bit easier for us to whip it. And then we're going to add to that some condensed milk, which is going to give us some texture and some flavor. A little bit of vanilla, that's optional, but I do think it gives us a really nice kick. And we have some chopped tablet that we're going to just mix through so you get little pieces of tablet in between. So we've got our cream. I'm going to start by adding our condensed milk. And there. We don't need any extra sugar as this is quite sweet. Got my little pinch of vanilla in there. And next I'm going to use my mixer to get peaks in here. You can do this by hand if you prefer. It's just going to take a little bit more work. So once the cream thickens and we start seeing some soft peaks in there, our cream is ready for our tablet. So I'm going to set my whisk aside. And I've got here our tablet. So I've chopped it into small pieces. You want to make sure that everyone gets a little bit of tablet in each of their bites. And what we're going to do is I'm going to add most of it. I like leaving it a little bit behind just so that we can decorate our ice cream. And we're going to incorporate it very gently so that we don't get rid of any of the air that we just created with the mixer. So I'm going to just fold it. I'm going here around, as you can see, with very gentle moves so that we keep that nice consistency that we just acquired. And once that's ready, we're going to transfer that into a container that we can freeze. So this will take about 5 hours in your freezer or overnight if possible. And you do want to take it out a few minutes before you're ready to serve it to allow it to soften a bit so that it's a bit more scoopable. So here we go. Got a nice even layer. And then, as I said, I like saving a little bit of the tablet just to put on top. Give you a nice idea of what you're expecting in there. You can add any other toppings if you prefer. This is a very good and easy recipe that you can customize for different things. And we're going to pop this in the freezer, as I said, for about 5 hours.